Welcome to Avocado Academy.
Action verbs.
What am I doing?
What am I doing?
I am waking up.
I am waking up.
What am I doing?
I am throwing a ball.
I am throwing a ball.
What am I doing?
I am catching a ball.
I am catching a ball.
What am I doing? I am holding a balloon.
I am holding a balloon.
What am I doing? I am waving.
I am waving.
What am I doing? I am counting.
I am counting.
What am I doing? I am dusting.
I am dusting.
What am I doing? I am planning.
I am planning.
What am I doing? I am selling lemonade.
I am selling lemonade.
What am I doing? I am buying lemonade.
I am buying lemonade.
What am I doing? I am lifting.
I am lifting.
What am I doing? I am pushing.
I am pushing.
What am I doing? I am vacuuming.
I am vacuuming.
What am I doing? I am clapping.
I am clapping.
What am I doing? I am hugging.
I am hugging.
What am I doing? I am calling.
I am calling.
What am I doing? I am cutting.
I am cutting.
What am I doing? I am asking a question.
I am asking a question. What am I doing? I am answering a question. I am answering a question.
What am I doing? I am shouting.
I am shouting.
What am I doing? I am sneezing.
I am sneezing.
What am I doing? I am yawning.
I am yawning.
What am I doing? I am bathing.
I am bathing.
What am I doing? I am coughing.
I am coughing.
What am I doing? I am trimming plants.
I am trimming plants.
What am I doing? I am folding clothes.
I am folding clothes.
What am I doing? I am toasting bread.
I am toasting bread.
What am I doing? I am crossing the street.
I am crossing the street.
What am I doing? I am swinging.
I am swinging.
What am I doing? I am sliding.
I am sliding.
What am I doing? I am bouncing a basketball.
I am bouncing a basketball.
What am I doing? I am jumping rope.
I am jumping rope.
What am I doing? I am kicking.
I am kicking.
What am I doing? I am punching.
I am punching.
What am I doing? I am ironing clothes.
I am ironing clothes.
What am I doing? I am spinning a top.
I am spinning a top.
What am I doing? I am coughing.
I am coughing.
What am I doing? I am carrying books.
I am carrying books.
What am I doing? I am drawing.
I am drawing.
What am I doing? I am reaching for cookies.
I am reaching for cookies.
What am I doing? I am winning a race.
I am winning a race.
What am I doing? I am learning math.
I am learning math.
What am I doing? I am stretching.
I am stretching.
What am I doing? I am fixing a fence.
I am fixing a fence.
What am I doing? I am launching a rocket.
I am launching a rocket.
What am I doing? I am falling down.
I am falling down.
What am I doing? I am helping.
I am helping.
What am I doing? I am imagining.
I am imagining.
What am I doing? I am crawling.
I am crawling.
What am I doing? I am measuring.
I am measuring.
What am I doing? I am driving.
I am driving.
Thank you. Great job. Subscribe to join the Growing Avocado Academy.